Welcome to our channel ZTC. Today, I'm sharing why you should consider a cybersecurity career. First up, job security is off the charts. A whopping 3.5 million cybersecurity jobs will be up for grabs by 2030. Even during tough times, companies won't cut their cybersecurity teams because hackers don't take breaks. So, if you're into tech, cybersecurity offers some of the best job security out there. One of the fantastic aspects of a career in cybersecurity is the global nature of the field. Countries around the world are recognizing the importance of cybersecurity, and they're actively seeking skilled professionals. Reasons for choosing your career in cybersecurity. 0% unemployment. The demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals has skyrocketed, leading to 0% unemployment. This incredible opportunity comes as the world embraces digital transformation. Secure our digital future and join the wave of cybersecurity experts shaping tomorrow's technology. Unlimited practical growth. In the world of cybersecurity, we're talking limitless growth. Because of every day presents fresh challenges, ensuring continuous personal and professional development. Cybersecurity is a field that values continuous learning. High pay scale. In today's digitized world, cyber threats are multiplying, and so is the demand for skilled defenders. Companies recognize the critical need for top-tier cybersecurity talent and are willing to invest substantially to ensure the protection of their valuable digital assets. Remote work flexibility. Do you have a conflict between a personal and professional life? Don't worry, you have an amazing path that is cybersecurity, which connects you with opportunities around the globe by enjoying the perks of a global career while savoring the comforts of your local surroundings. Whether you're in North America, Europe, Asia, or anywhere else, opportunities in cybersecurity are knocking on doors everywhere. Governments and private sectors are investing heavily to fortify their digital defenses, creating a vast landscape of opportunities for cybersecurity enthusiasts. Cybersecurity offers a recession-proof career, high demand, high pay, and a world of global opportunities. If you're considering your next career move, this might just be the sign you've been waiting for. Here are the top countries who can choose for cybersecurity. U.S. The U.S. is a global technology hub, hosting many leading cybersecurity companies, research institutions. The U.S. government invests heavily in cybersecurity initiatives. U.K. As a global financial hub, the U.K. prioritizes cybersecurity to protect critical financial institutions and infrastructure. The U.K. has established a robust cybersecurity infrastructure, including the National Cybersecurity Centre, NCSC, promoting a secure digital environment. Australia. 3 reasons to do MBS in Australia. 1. It's the home to cybersecurity companies, research institutions, and government agencies. 2. The no doubt of job opportunities is set to increase 21% by 2026. 3. It is ranked as the top 3 among the education field of countries. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Join us on this cybersecurity adventure, and let's make the digital world a safer place together. This is all for today. We are signing off. Stay secure.